In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete your Discord account from your mobile device. So we need to start by heading over to the Discord application and clicking on your profile icon in the bottom right hand side. Then click on the settings icon in the top right, select account. Scroll down to the bottom and press delete account, and you may get this message saying that in order to delete an account you first need to transfer ownership of all of your servers. So if you currently have your own Discord servers, then what we'll need to do is come back over to the previous menu. From the home page, select your server in the left hand side, click on your server name in the top, select settings, scroll down and click on members. From here you can search for a member in your Discord server and transfer ownership to them directly. If you have a small server or you just want to delete the server altogether, then we can come back out of this window, scroll to the top and click on overview, scroll down to the bottom and select delete server and press yes. Once you've deleted all of the servers that you own, click back on your profile icon, click back on the settings icon, click on account, scroll back down to the bottom and select delete account, and then just enter your Discord password to confirm. Once you've entered your password, press OK, and that's going to permanently delete your Discord account. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.